Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to the channel on a gloomy November day. It's like so foggy today, like November should be. I'm in a cemetery at the minute, as you can see. It's not my normal content, I know, but I've popped down here today because a friend of mine called Spitfire Kev has drove from the Isle of Wight for personal reasons, so he happens to be filming around the cemetery today. So I thought I'd pop along, meet him and show you a bit of what he does. And here he is, just up by there. It's Kev doing his thing.
Right, today guys, got a subscriber but also a YouTuber, Steve.
Hey.
I forgot to Steve.
Sights for Steve.
Sights from Steve. I'll put a link up on the description as well. But it's thanks to Steve that I've actually found one of the 3 graves that I've come to look for. And this is Johnathon Henry Lee. He was the founder member of the group Feeder. I'll do my talk over as normal later on. I'm going to introduce him again now.
So that's a little sample of what Kev does. He likes to go around the cemeteries, not new cemeteries, the ones that have got quite old graves, and find interesting stories, interesting places, interesting chapels of rest.
Henry Bailey, born October 1847.
So I've shown you a little snippet of what Kev gets up to on his channel, which is Spitfire Kev. I'll put a link in the description. So if you'd like to see more of that and what Kev gets up to, go over and subscribe. Thank you for watching everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now. Well, it's brilliant meeting you, Kev.
It was a pleasure, and thank you very much as well for finding the grave. 1 of 3 is better than none.
No problem at all, matey. Like I said, I'll put his link in the description. Please go over and subscribe. Bye bye for now.
Thank you everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you muchly.